Good day everyone, I'm Althea C. Rodriguez, and in this presentation, I'll demonstrate how to assemble a desktop computer step by step using a virtual simulation. I'll also explain each part and its function in the system. Objective of the activity: icon of computer tools or assembly animation. Understand the different computer hardware components. Learn their placement and connection inside the system unit, and stimulate computer assembly using a virtual tool. So the main computer parts are motherboard, central processing unit or CPU, random access memory, RAM, power supply unit, storage drives like HDD or SSD, graphic cards, cooling system, and computer case. So here are the guide pictures. Computer case. The computer case, also called the system unit or chassis, is the enclosure that houses and protects all the internal components of a computer, such as the motherboard, CPU, RAM, power supply, storage drives, and graphics card. It serves as the main structure that keeps every part securely in place and organized. So this is the small parts but important. So we have CMOS batteries, SATA cables, PCLE power cables, front panels connectors like power switch, LED, USB, sound card, screws and sun-offs, 1O shield, thermal paste, and dust filters. So here are the guide pictures. And step 1. Install CPU. The first step is installing the CPU. Align the golden triangle on the CPU with the triangle on the socket. Gently place it in and close the latch to secure it. Step 2. Apply thermal paste and attach cooler. Apply a small dot of thermal paste at the center of the CPU. Then, attach the CPU cooler and connect its cable to the CPU fan header. Step 3. Install RAM. Insert the RAM sticks into the memory slots. Push down until you hear a click on both ends. RAM allows the computer to run multiple tasks smoothly. Step 4. Mount the motherboard. Carefully place the motherboard inside the case, aligning the holes with the sun-offs. Secure it with screws to keep it stable. Step 5. Install the power supply unit or PSU. Install the power supply unit at the bottom of the case. Make sure the fan faces downward for airflow. Connect the 24-pin ATX power cable to the motherboard. Step 6. Install storage. Mount the SSD or HDD in its drive bay. Connect it using a SATA cable to the motherboard and a SATA power cable to the PSU. Step 7. Install the GPU or graphics card. Insert the graphics card into the PCLE slot and secure it with a screw. Then, plug in the PCLE power connector from the PSU. Step 8. Connect front panel and other cables. Connect the front panel cables like the power switch, reset button, USB, and audio ports. Follow the motherboard manual to place each connector correctly. Step 9. Cable management. Organize the cables using ties or straps. This helps improve airflow and gives you system a clean, professional look. Step 10. Final check and boot. Finally, plug in the power cord, connect to the monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Press the power button if everything is correctly installed. The computer should start and show the BIO screen. So here are some questions. What did you learn about assembling a computer? Number 2. Which part did you find most challenging and why? How confident are you in assembling a real PC after this simulation? So I have learned about the different parts of a computer and how they all work together to make the system function. I now understand the importance of handling each component carefully, especially the motherboard, CPU, and RAM. Since they are very delicate and essential, the most challenging part for me was connecting the cables properly because there were many small wires that needed to be placed in the correct ports. It required patience and attention to detail. After completing the simulation, I feel more confident in assembling a real PC. But I think I would still need some guidance the first time I try it in real life. Overall, it was very informative and enjoyable experience that helped me appreciate how computers are built. So thank you for your attention. Here are some quotes for you. Every part is matters. So that will be all. Thank you for listening and goodbye.